Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Riley.
And my name is Hannah.
Panthers, from January 27th through the 31st, Literacy Week is happening at Heritage. With each of the days, we will have special themes and how they tie with your career interests.
Monday is kickoff day. Tuesday is reading marathon. Wednesday is future you. Thursday is cultural career awareness. And Friday is celebration and reflection.
Along with Literacy Week, Literacy Night is also happening. On January 28th, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the auditorium, there will be food, college and career information, and fun.
There will also be a guest speaker and a book author at the event. So if you would like to attend, feel free to go.
Heritage's 12th annual Valentine's Day show will be on February 11th at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria. Admission for this show will be $5 including beverages. Prepare to be amazed.
Panthers, please come and support our singers here at Heritage and prepare for their a cappella competition coming up soon.
Driver's education is now an elective course here at Heritage. To enter this program, you must have a valid learner's permit and must be between the ages of 15 to 18 years old.
If any of you are interested in this course and meet the requirements, email Ms. Tracy for further information.
Guess what, Panthers? Heritage is hosting their second blood drive this year on February 4th. The registration for this event started this week on January 21st, but you can still register.
To join, you must be at least 17 years or older. You are also required to bring your ID to register for the blood drive.
Visit room 6114 during your lunch or before school to join Heritage's upcoming blood drive.
The book drive is also here at Heritage. The National Honor Society will be at all lunches on Wednesday and Fridays, so come donate some books to help out our local elementary schools.
Students, the ASVAB is on February 13th in the auditorium from 8:15 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. To sign up, scan the QR code on the screen now.
Attention, all SGA members. The SGA meeting after school has changed locations only for today.
This week's SGA meeting will take place in Ms. Velez's classroom, room 5204 at 2:30 p.m. Again, today's SGA meeting will be held in Ms. Velez's classroom, room 5204 at 2:30 p.m.
Now, in senior news, Grad Bash tickets are available now. These tickets are currently $160 and are available online only. And do not wait to buy these tickets, they sell out fast.
The link on the screen now is the link you probably got in an email already. This link is where you purchase your tickets. The access ID for purchasing these tickets is your student number.
After you purchase your tickets, you must see Miss Underwood at lunch for the permission slips to select your bus for this trip.
But remember, seniors, Grad Bash is on April 25th. The buses will leave Heritage around 5 p.m. and return around 3:30 a.m. Annual passes for Universal are not valid for this event. If you have any questions, contact Miss Underwood.
Also in senior news, the Brevard Schools Foundation is offering all seniors in Brevard County 60 different scholarships. These scholarships give seniors options to certain scholarships that will help them in the future. The deadline for these scholarship applications is March 9th. Scan the code on the screen for more information.
For any senior going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start your FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit the website above.
Also, Heritage will be having the CLT on February 20th. Contact the testing coordinator, Coach Gage, for more information.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships? Check out the 2024-2025 scholarship link in Heritage's guidance webpage, or you can even use scholarship search engines as well.
Breaking news, seniors. We have a special announcement from the Heritage Yearbook team. Take a look.
Seniors, have you submitted your quote yet? Senior
quotes are free this year and they're due January 31st in order to be eligible for the yearbook.
Make sure they have no cuss words, school appropriate, and inspirational.
If it's anything inappropriate, you will get detention and they will be checking.
And if you don't submit anything,
It will be changed to class of 2025.
go Big Blue!
In sports news, our boys basketball team goes up against Harmony tonight at 5:30 p.m.
Also tonight, our girls soccer team goes against O'Galley at 6 p.m. Good luck to all the Panthers playing tonight.
Next week on Monday, our boys basketball team will take on Sebastian River starting at 5:30 p.m.
Well, that's all the news for this week, Panthers. Thanks for watching. And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!